Hello everyone. Today we will discuss the preparation of the amine with aryl sulphonyl chloride. So this is done with the primary amine, secondary amine and tertiary amine test. This is what we have taken: aryl sulphonyl chloride or benzene sulphonyl chloride. Sulphonyl chloride is attached to the benzene group. So benzene sulphonyl chloride, and this test is also known as Hinsberg test, reagent test. Hinsberg reagent test. Okay, benzene sulphonyl chloride. So first one is with the primary amine. We have to take the primary amine when it is treated with this benzene sulphonyl chloride. This nitrogen will donate lone pair of electron to this carbon and sulfur, and here oxygen acquires lone pair of electron from this pi bond. Again it donates lone pair of electron to pi bond, that is back bonding, and this chlorine group will leave the sulphonyl group. Okay, that is forms C2H5 NH2 SO2 C6H5. Okay, when it is here, this hydrogen will leave the group. It donates lone pair of electron to this nitrogen, where nitrogen became electron deficient. And here next, when it is treated with a basic medium, this hydroxyl group sodium will attach to this sodium nitrogen, and hydroxyl group takes this hydrogen and donates lone pair of electron to this nitrogen to form a salt. That one is soluble salt. Okay, primary amine, when it is treated with benzyl sulphonyl chloride, chlorine will leave the group, oxygen back bonding takes place, nitrogen it donates lone pair of electron to the sulfur, and here nitrogen become electron deficient, where hydrogen will leave the group and donates lone pair of electron to this nitrogen. And when this group intermediate is treated with the basic medium, hydroxide will take the hydrogen, donates lone pair of electron to nitrogen, and sodium attached to this nitrogen to form the salt. This is with the primary amine. Okay, Hinsberg test with the primary amine. Secondary amine, there is lot of difference for the primary as well as secondary amine. For the secondary amine, we have to take the secondary amine C2H5 NH C2H5 diethylamine, where it is treated with the aryl sulphonyl chloride. Same, nitrogen donates lone pair of electron to the sulfur, and oxygen back bonding takes place, chlorine will leave the group. Okay, same, hydrogen will leave the group, nitrogen becomes electron deficient. Next, here till here we will get one product, that is a precipitate we will get here. Again, when it is treated with the NaOH like previous one, it will the reaction will not take place for the secondary amine only till here. The product will end here. Okay, diethyl sulphonyl. Okay, this is about the secondary amine. Secondary amine, diethylamine, when it is treated with benzene sulphonyl chloride, where nitrogen donates lone pair of electron to the sulfur, oxygen back bonding takes place, chlorine will leave the group, and nitrogen here it becomes electron deficient, where it takes the electron from the hydrogen and then to form the diethyl sulphonyl group. And when it is next reacts with the basic medium, no reactions takes place. Okay, this is about the secondary amine. Then about the tertiary amine. Here tertiary amine, triethylamine, when it is treated with the benzene sulphonyl chloride, we will not get same here where nitrogen will react with the sulfur, donates lone pair of electron to the sulfur, but the reaction will not possible. Here we will get the product, we can write it, but the reaction is not possible for the tertiary amine. This is about the Hinsberg test. They will ask like this: write the test for Hinsberg primary amine or give the Hinsberg test for secondary amine. For primary amine, we will get a salt and soluble salt. For this secondary amine, with any OH, it will not, the reaction will not take place, and here the tertiary amine reaction will not take place at all. Okay, this is about the Hinsberg test.